gossiping. We are at the beach. Hola, we are actually going to the beach and yep. So we are going to the beach. We're going to the beach. That's Liana and Alejandra. Oh, coming. And that's home again.
I love it.
Let's go to the beach.
We already tanned.
Let's go to the beach.
Yeah, you can even see.
Hey guys, for today.
Oh, okay.
So today we're stopping first at one. Jay will ask us to buy some beer
Snacks?
and some snacks, and then we're walking
Look at the car.
10 minutes to the beach. Okay, you ready?
See,
Let's go. Venga.
kaja.
Venga, cariño.
Yay!
You guys are smart. You guys brought caps.
I did not. I did not.
You didn't, yeah.
I had a cap. I had extra caps. You want? I can give it to you.
Oh no, I'm cool. I brought sunglasses, so
Where is it?
it's back in my pocket just
So you should wear it.
right now.
Yeah, of course. Then when? When the sun goes down?
I asked Raul to join us.
Who?
Raul?
Oh, sure. See, I forgot about him.
Just tell him.
Yeah,
Just tell him to.
Wait for it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We can wait for him there.
Or
But he's
go
gonna
next
take-
to Lee.
He's gonna take 10 minutes. What we did, I told him that we're gonna meet at half past.
Just call him. Tell him.
This direction and we'll meet there.
Yeah.
So we go to the supermarket.
Supermarket first and tell him to come there.
That we're gonna take at least 10 minutes to go buy beers and some snacks.
Our tour guide for today.
Good. Does
Alex.
this record sound?
Yeah, it does.
It was still okay. But it still needed to recover a bit. Because obviously it's much weaker than the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
It's just general conversations. Okay, we're gonna see you later at the beach. Bye. Howard? Oh, Howard is here.
Just doing. Okay. Please read.
Transfers to orange, green, pink, brown, and blue line trains at Lake.
Do you want to have 4 or like one each?
I'll have to.
You'll have 2. I'll only take 1.
What you want?
Let's just take one dish. Like something like this. Anakin? No.
I
What do you
like.
think?
Well, I'll try. For example, I like. This is nice because it's 3 for 8. So that's. I'll take 3.
I will only take 1, but I really don't know which one. This is way too big. They don't have a single one.
It's US, girl. This is what, but the thing is, it's just they'll get
How is this? We're at the beach. Okay. Whee!
you know, talking shit.
We're gossiping.
We're go-
We are at the beach. It's the end of the day, end of the vlog.